Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video we're going to study dividing rational algebraic expression. So this is how you're going to divide now your rational algebraic expression. Technically there are two formats and how it work out. So first one is A over B divided by C over D. Technically the rule is that your reciprocal, you get the reciprocal of your divisor, so which is C over D. So you get the reciprocal. So when you get the reciprocal, so A over B, and then interchange the position of the numerator and the denominator. So you have now D over C. And then proceed to multiplication. Therefore, you have now AD over BC. Now, in other structure, this is more like a complex structure. So A over B all over C over D. The principle is just the same. So you get now your dividend, which is A over B. Get the reciprocal of this one. So you have now D over C. And then you have now multiplication, so AD over BC. That's how it works when you're going to divide your rational algebraic expression. Now, working with that, let's have some examples. So here's how it works. So I have example 1 and 2, 27 over 45 divided by 3. So what's happening there is that you put now 1 over here and then get the reciprocal of that. So 27 over 45. Reciprocal of 3 over 1, that will be 1/3. And then you can now cancel the common term. So this is 9. So 45, we can cancel. Now it's 5. Cancel 9. So what's the answer now is 1/5. Now, in this case, you have now 8 over 15. Get the reciprocal of 32 over 35. So you have now 35 over 32. Now you can now cancel 8. And this one is you have now 4. 35 and 5, cancel 5, so you have now 3, and this is 7. So final answer, we have now 7 over 12. So that's how it works. Now let's go on the other example. So if this is now the case, you have now 12m to the 5th n squared over 5mn all over 24m to the 5th over 25n squared. So working with that, so will lead us now to 12m n squared over 5mn times the reciprocal of the divisor. So you have now 25n squared over 24m to the 5th. Now, as you can see, you can now cancel everything that you could have. You can cancel. So I can cancel 12 and 24. So I have 1 here, I have 2 here. 25 and 5, so I have 5 here, and then I have 1 here. Now, m to the 5th, so cancel. So I can cancel now n, so this would be n. So working with that, what is left? 1 times 5, that's 5. N times n squared, that's n cubed. And then all over 1 times 2, that's 2, and then you have now m. So this is now the final answer. Let's go now to the last example. So this is a little bit complex. So you get now the x squared minus 1. That's difference of 2 squares. So I have now x plus 1, then x minus 1. All over, this is now a perfect square trinomial. So I have now x plus 1 squared times the reciprocal of this one. So reciprocal, so interchange the position. So I have now 3x plus 3 all over 15x. I can go on the factoring with that. So x plus 1, then x minus 1 over, I can expand this one. So I forgot to write 1 there. So x plus 1 times x plus 1. Multiplying, so I have now 3, then x plus 1. Then I have 15x. So I can cancel now everything that I can cancel. So I can cancel this one. And what is left now? Okay, I can cancel as well 3 and 15. So I have now 5 here. So what is left now is x minus 1 over 5x. And this is now the final answer. I hope you learned something about dividing rational algebraic expression. If you have any question, plug in your question in your comment section. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day, everyone.